Hi, I'm Amulek.
And I'm Sarah. Welcome back to Vego Garden. Today we're going to fill a garden bed. We're going to show you a very special technique called Hugelkultur that will help you save money when you're filling your garden bed so you don't spend as much on soil. Hugelkultur is a word of German origin that means hill gardening or mound gardening, and it's essentially layers inside your garden bed or inside a hill. So you use less soil. You're going to use all organic materials, build from the bottom up, and we're going to show you how to do it. So let's get started.
All right, first we're going to start with cardboard at the bottom. Just going to spread this out.
The cardboard is also going to serve as a weed block. You don't have to chunk it up like we've done here. You can use a big piece of cardboard, but this will just help as like an organic way to prevent weeds from coming up into the garden from the bottom. So we'll just spread these out here.
Do you want to use this box as well?
We can break down any boxes you have. I like to remove the labels where possible. Of course, you don't want to put tape if you're using cardboard inside your garden bed, but any cardboard will do. So once the cardboard is down into the bed, the next step is to start with your largest logs. We're going to go large to small because the small pieces on the top will filter down into the spaces underneath the logs. And we're only going to fill the bed about halfway. You do still need room for your soil and your roots to grow down into the bed, so you're not going to fill this bed all the way up with yard waste, just halfway. So let's put our biggest logs in first. If you're using a larger bed, you can certainly use larger logs, but we have a pretty small bed here, 3.5 by 3.5.
Yes.
So we're just using some branches.
You can get on this side actually. You want to just grab the whole thing?
Yeah.
And then sparse it out through here.
And you can break these down if they don't fit, snap it in half.
And we're going to try to get as even of a layer as we can. Give it a tug of war there. You got it? that actually should probably just fit.
You think?
Yeah.
Can it go sideways?
No.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know if we want to go with greens.
We can.
Have y'all done that before?
So this is a decent first layer. We've got some more yard waste, so we can keep going with some smaller pieces. You can use green if you have some fresh tree clippings or bush clippings, something like that. We started with some dead stuff, but we'll add the rest of this in here and just break it up so it's nice and flat. So this is what we've got. You can continue to layer and put, small pieces of mulch next to filter in here and then go in with your soil. But this is what we have from our yard waste here, so that's what we're going to use today. And then we'll move on to soil. You can also layer compost if you have fresh compost and other soil amendments like worm castings in with your soil. And it will filter down in and fill the spaces so you don't have any natural air pruning inside your garden bed. So we're ready to fill?
Let's do it.
I'm gonna give this to you.
All right. Sounds good to me. We're just gonna start tossing it in there. We're trying to toss it to where it pushes those branches down a little bit more.
And it will. The weight of your soil will compress everything as you go. It helps to water in your layers as you go too.
Yes.
So once we get all of our soil in, we're gonna water this really well, and you'll see that it will compact over time after you've watered it. So you may wanna keep some extra soil on hand to top off your bed a couple of days after you do the Hugelkultur process.
For more information on the Hugelkultur method, please visit our link in the description or bio.
Thanks for tuning in. Happy gardening.